I'm going to show you how to replace the rear bumper on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, you can get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. Now we're going to lower the spare tire. You need to get the tools from under the back seat. Put those together. Slide that in position. Just lower it down. Just lower it down counterclockwise. It's all the way down. Remove the tools. Slide that through. Now we disconnect some of the connectors. There's one on the side of the frame right here. Just push down on the tab. Slide that out. This connector is attached to the bumper. Another connector here. Push down on the tab. And slide that out. Now we'll disconnect this connector. I'm just going to use a pick. There's a little lock tab at the top. Just slide that back. And push down on the tab. And disconnect the connector. And we have one on the other side as well. Do the same. Slide that back and disconnect it. Now we're going to take the bolts out on the side. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. There's 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on the other side. This vehicle does have a trailer hitch. So if your vehicle doesn't have a trailer hitch, you take these out. That's all that's supporting this. Once we take these out, we have 2 more bolts we have to take out that is still supported by the trailer hitch. So just keep that in mind. Just be careful. Now we'll take these 2 bolts out, use a 15mm socket. Pull those bolts out. Just grab the bumper and just take a pry bar. Just get under here, just pop it up a little bit. Just kind of rotates out, and you can slide it right off. Now take the bumper, slide it in position. You might have to pry it in place. Go. It's lined up. Take the bolts, get those started. Those are started. Before we tighten those down, we want to get the other bolts in from underneath. I'll put these bolts in. Those are all in. Now we'll tighten these down. Now we can tighten these two down. That's good. Now connect the connector, plate light bulb, lock that down. Now the trailer hitch, lock that down. The other plate light. And push down on the lock. And the last connector right on the frame, line that up, lock it down. Slide the spare tire in place. Just crank it back up into place. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.